What's your name? Oh, how about this? Can you hear me? Okay, now welcome to Native Camp. I'm Teacher Blossom. What's your name? Cookie. It's nice to meet you, Cookie. How are you? Mm-hmm. I I see. All right. But why you wake up early today? Why do you wake up early today? Mm-hmm. Ah. Mm-hmm. I see. Yeah. Okay. Now I guess you're also into a fan of anime. I saw at your back with some figurines. What is that anime? Who is that? Naruto or no? Who's that? Oh, who is that? I thought it's uh-huh. Mm. What is that anime? What's the name of that anime? Ah, I see. So you collected that one. I see. All right. Now this time, Cookie, let's start our lesson for today. Are you ready? All right. Now today we're going to study daily news in this lesson, and the title is "Why do people use AI to fake dream vacations?" Is that correct? All right. Now this time, let's have the words and phrases. So let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. Now let's have with the first word. So please repeat after me. Once we have here emergence. Yes, it is the process of becoming into view or becoming known. We have with the sample sentence. The emergence of new technologies has changed the way we communicate. Yes, very good. Next one we have here phenomenon. Yes, it is an observable fact or event that is remarkable or unusual. We have here the sample sentence. The northern lights are a natural phenomenon that fascinates many people. Yes, very good. Next one we have here vanity. Yes, it is an excessive pride in or admiration of one's own appearance or achievements. We have here the sample sentence. His decisions were often driven by vanity rather than logic. Very good. Next one we have here democratize. Yes, it means to make something accessible to everyone or make democratic. We have here the sample sentence. The internet has helped to democratize access to information. Yes, very good. Next one we have here self esteem. Yes, it is the confidence in one's own worth or abilities. We have here the sample sentence. Building self esteem is essential for maintaining mental health. All right, very good for that one, Cookie. Now, do you have any questions so far? All right, now let's move on now to the next part. We have our comprehension. Now, please look at the direction. Are you done? All right, now let's move on now to the listening focus. Now, let's check the questions that you need to answer later. So, please look at the questions as I read them twice, okay? Let's start with the first one. What are people using AI tools for according to the article? Again, what are people using AI tools for according to the article? Now let's have number two. What is different about the new apps like Endless Summer compared to older manifestation apps? Again, what is different about the new apps like Endless Summer compared to older manifestation apps? Now let's have number two. Three question. According to the article, how has AI changed people's reasons for showing off success or leisure? Again, according to the article, how has AI changed people's reasons for showing off success or leisure? Now, this time, Cookie, let's listen to the audio now. Are you ready? I will play the audio now.
Why do people use AI to fake dream vacations? According to a report from The Verge, a US media outlet, people who lack time or money for real trips are using AI tools to make fake vacation photos that look real. This emergence of the phenomenon allows them to pretend they visited exotic places. For example, in Indonesia, many from low to middle income groups join large Facebook communities, some with over 30,000 members, to share images of themselves with luxury cars like Lamborghinis or at high-end stores like Gucci. Tim Wijaya, a consultant linked to OpenAI, found this in early 2025 and noted on X that it helps people escape reality, especially since over 60% of Indonesians earn less than 60,000 yen a month. Special apps are now making these realistic pictures easier to create. Unlike older manifestation apps that only offer abstract words or simple drawings, new ones like Endless Summer, made by Laurent Del Rey from Meta, produce detailed scenes. People have always tried to show off success or leisure, even before technology. This was often driven by vanity, a desire to perform for the gaze of outsiders. However, with AI, the reason is changing. Instead of seeking approval from others, users now focus on personal comfort, healing, and satisfaction. AI has democratized this act, letting anyone build a personalized alternate reality of luxury trips. As explained in Psychology Today, seeing an ideal self in such images can reinforce self-esteem. In the end, AI is turning into a tool for self-exploration, helping people think about who they really are.
All right, now it's done. This time, Cookie, do you want me to play the audio one more time or let's proceed in answering the questions? All right, now let's proceed now in answering the questions. So I'll read each question and please say your answers out loud. Let's start with the first one. So, what are people using AI tools for according to the article? That's right, very good. Now let's have number two. What is different about the new apps like Endless Summer compared to older manifestation apps? That's right. Okay. Very good for that one. Let's have number three question. According to the article, how has AI changed people's reasons for showing off success or leisure? That's right. Good job for that one, Cookie. You got it all right. Very good. Now this time, let's move on now to the next part. We have a readout. Now, Cookie, please read out the article. All right, good job for that one, Cookie. Now, this time, let's proceed now to the next part we have for discussion. Now, please look at the direction. Are you done? All right, now please answer each question freely or by using the situation given. I'll read each question and let's start with the first one. Do you think making a fake vacation photos with AI is harmless? Why or why not? Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Exactly. Mm-hmm. I see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but uh-huh. I see. Yeah, it's the cheapest way, but the sad part is you didn't really experience it. It was in the photo, right? Yeah, so yeah, you really have a point there. Like maybe for now, it's not harmful or it's harmless, but we cannot tell the future, right? Because it's not good. You're faking it, and it's not really good. All right, very good for that. Mm-hmm. 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 Exactly. Exactly. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. S- Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And also you're like telling lies also with other people by faking your identity, right? I think I don't usually, and I'm not encouraging people to use it. Yeah, I see. All right, now let's have very good for that one, Cookie. Now let's have the next question now. Do you ever edit your photos before posting online? And please tell what kind of changes you make. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is also what I like to play with, the balancing of the colors. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yeah, the ambience, the highlight. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Yeah, but not really heavy edit, right? It's just about the lightings of the photos, because if you will just post it directly, it's like dull. It doesn't have any life, right? So we need to give it a light. Hmm. Hmm. What did you bought? What camera is that? I only have digital camera with me. Oh, that's. Mm-hmm. Is that Canon or no? Ah, I see. Uh-huh. Yeah. Is it still, we can call that digicam? Uh-huh. 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 But the picture is good. Mhm. Exactly. Mm-hmm. I because because it really, the pictures are really clear, the lights. Yeah. When I also, take pictures in my digicam, I don't need to edit also that one. Yeah, because everything's clear. Oh, so you like taking pictures also? I see. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And also digicam is really convenient. I can just put it, yeah, handy, and I just can put it in my pocket. For example, I don't want to, bring heavy bags or something. Yeah, unlike those big cameras. I just really fan of digi cameras because it's so handy. That's what you said. Mm-hmm. Take pictures. Ah, yeah, that's right. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Just dull photo or something. It doesn't have any lights. Yeah, that's why we need to play with the light, with the lights, the background highlights. Yeah, but most of the time, my subject because I love also taking pictures. But most of the time, my subject is the sunset. Yeah, I like taking pictures of sunset. Yeah, yeah. What about you? What do you what the subject when you take pictures? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'll show you one of the photos I took in my digicam. Yeah, that one. It is. Mm-hmm. Look, yeah, look, yeah. Look at the difference. This is the for a moment. This is the digicam photos, and I will show you the iPhone photos only. It doesn't have light, right? That's what I mean. It didn't give light. That's right. It doesn't focus on the subject. That's why, yeah, that's why I like more the digicam when taking pictures. Mm-hmm. I see. All right, now let's have the next question. What kind of photos do you like to post on social media and why? Ah, you like whenever you travel the places. Uh huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What is that? It's so cute. Is that cat? Uh-huh. Oh, that's so cute. Ah, I see. That's so cute. Yeah, I also posted in my Instagram my, travels also like food, places, the scenery like that. Oh, that's so cute. What's the name? Ah, I see. Is that male or female? I see. How many dogs do you have? Mm-hmm. I see. Oh, what camera are you using now? Why it's zoom in and zoom out? Yeah, I'm just curious. I see. Uh-huh. That's why. Yeah, it will adjust really. That's why I'm so amazed. It's so cool. What is the brand of that laptop, by the way? Microsoft Surface. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see. That's a new one. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. I see. That's so cool. That's why. I see. All right. Now let's have the next question now. Which is better for self-expression? Real travel photos or AI made photos? And give one advantage of your choice. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Why? Give someone advantage of it. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Like, yeah, like you it's like serve as your evidence that I've been there. Yeah. Yeah. And also when you think or when you see that photo, it will also bring yourself back in that place. Like, oh, it's so nice. My experience there so nice. That's why also my reason why I post it online. Because it will, give some memories. Yeah, because for example, what if my phone will be lost or what if my phone will be, gone and I cannot retrieve the photos because it's gone. So at least it's on my Instagram, like it's on my account. So I can still have a memory. Yeah. Mhm. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's private. Yeah. Mhm. I see. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, you just posted the best for you, and that can remind you in that place. Yeah, we took a lot of pictures actually, and we just posted like 5 or 6 photos out of 1,000, right? Yeah, I see. But yeah, when I posted also my account is in private. Like it will not be open to everyone unless we're friends. Yeah, I see. All right, we don't have so much time, Cookie. Thank you so much for today and have a good day ahead, okay? Bye bye. See you again soon.